Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Search Console in Wix website. First of all, you are seeing the Wix website dashboard. So I'm going to tell you how to add and where to add Search Console. So first of all, we have to open Google Search Console. Click on Start. After opening this, you have to tap on this add property and you have to paste the URL link of your website. Tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, we have to verify the website. For this, you have to go on your website and HTML tag. So you have to copy this HTML tag and in Wix dashboard, go for marketing and SEO and tap on SEO tools. You can see the site verification option in the right side. Just simply click on it. After clicking, in the first option, you can see Google Search Console. So you have to tap on this and simply paste the tag you have copied. And after pasting, you have to save it. And after this, we have to go for Google Search Console and we have to verify our website. And that's how our website will be verified in Google Search Console and the code will be added in our website. So that's how you can add Google Search Console in Wix website. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.